We're about to get into this commission. Yeah, flip it real quick, boom. Now that it's projecting here, about to get started with the lights off. So the outline's complete. All I have to do now, hit the switch, hit the switch, hit the switch. That's done. Close that up. Open up the blinds. There. All right. Boom. One more. Alright, so I actually cut up the edges already. I'm gonna glue it down right now, and then I'll get back to you guys because this part's not really that entertaining. So alright guys, so I finished up cleaning the front, and then the back side I glued it all down. So it's time to get the backing on there. Let me set up my phone here. So we're gonna need this spray. I like to use Gorilla's super, adhesive. Wow. Here's our Kai Tough logo. That gets out. Alright, so I'm outside here. I got the rug on top of a piece of cardboard. I'm gonna start spraying it down. I don't have my projector stand, so on my phone stand. Let me just start by mixing it. I do like to apply really good. Over. Then I shoot over. Here we go. It's freaking annoying out here. So many cars. Alright y'all, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much if you guys made it this far. Check out the short if you haven't. I finished up the rug, I shipped it out, sent her photos and everything. Not gonna mention anything else, cause just for privacy reasons, whatever. But check out the next video. I'm about to put out a new rug. It's gonna be the Star Riding Kirby, but I'm gonna remake it. So check that out.